Alright, welcome back to part 2 of my screencast. We watched this video, if you don't recall, we watched this video. We were going over the patterns of strengths and weaknesses. So strengths and weaknesses for each individual student can be determined by the results on various assessments. Different assessments have different criteria to make something qualify as a strength and weakness. There's a range for something to be considered a strength or weakness. For example, the classroom test score for them. To be considered a strength, the student must score greater than or equal to 80%, and for it to be considered weakness, the student must score less than or equal to 60. So the discrepancy model. Discrepancy model was used to determine which student with learning disability qualified for which services. This is when a student scores high on one but low on another. There it is. Thanks for watching.